It's me, Maris, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, ayan, so madami akong natatanggap na personal DMs, mga few comments sa YouTube na ang talagang favorite nyong video ko is walang iba kundi yung plus size clothing haul. At dahil dyan, your request is my command. Ayan, so mga loves, meron tayong bagong haul na naman today, try on haul, and this time, magbibigay tayo ng konting review. So if you're interested to know anong brand ito, anong shop ito, and if you wanted to see kung ano-anong mga clothes ang aking ita-try today, please keep on watching! So, tchadan! Okay. So, I got this from Plus Size Heaven. So, they're actually on Instagram. So, that's their account. Nalagay ko sa gilid ko. And also, this shop is available in Shopee, ang ating favorite shopping platform. Ayan. So, I actually got a few tops, shorts, and a dress from this shop. So, I'm going to let you see what are those sa aking try-on haul video. At magbabalik ako mamaya para sabihin ang aking thoughts and reviews. Video starts in 3, 2, 1... I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. So, I hope you enjoyed that short but nakakahilong try-on haul. Ayun, nakakahilo din pala yun, yung mga paikot-ikot ka, ganyan and everything. But halos lagi kayo nag-request ng mga affordable clothes. And this time, these are really affordable dahil the tops are less than 500. O, diba? So, talagang mura lang yan. So, I'm going to show you guys yung unang sinuot ko dyan sa video na yan. And these are the plus size tie front knitted top. Ayan. So, nalagay ko here sa gilid ko. And, mga loves and Mars, madaming kulay itong plus size na tie front knitted top na ito. So, we have the color rust, maroon, navy, black, pink stars, yellow moon, white floral, and this one, yung aking nakuha, which is the pink floral. So, ito yun. Ito yung suot-suot ko kanina, guys. Siyempre, unang-una, gusto nyo malaman yung price. This is just 280 pesos, guys. It's V-shape yung kanyang neckline. And it is cotton knitted. So, basically, sobrang aluwan ito sa katawan, guys. It's very comfortable. It's very stretchy din kasi it's cotton. Plus, yung tela niya is maganda at hindi makate sa katawan. Ayan. So, this is very comfy if you're, if you wanna go out, you wanna go to the bank, you wanna go to palengke, pero gusto mo pa din na you look presentable. At saka cute yung kanyang print, ha. It's floral. And it's not naman nawawala in season. Very cute. Ang pinagusto ko dito, guys, yung kanyang sleeve, kasi pa-puff siya. Alam nyo naman, yung mga damit ko madalas talaga puff sleeve. So, I really like this. Tapos, parang may band siya dito sa may bandang arms mo. So, parang nagmumukhang slim ang iyong braso. Di ba? Medyo nahi-help niya na magpa-slim ng braso. So, ayan. So, this is 5/5 for me. Ayan. Okay, so the next item would be the plus size cupped knitted top. I won't be able to hold it onto the camera, guys, kasi suot ko na siya. Ayan. So alam nyo na kung anong favorite ko sa top. Ito po ang aking favorite. Ayan. Nakita nyo na yan for sure doon sa video. Pero for a closer up look, ayan siya, guys. So, first and foremost, this one is just 250 pesos only. O, diba? So, yung isa, 280, this one, 250. Ayan, sabi sa inyo, talaga mga below 300 po itong mga na ating na haul for today. So, this one, guys, so from the name itself, plus size cup knitted top, may design siya na parang pa-cup here. So, parang it really emphasize yung iyong future. But at the same time, it still look decent. That's important. For a plus size girl like me, talagang better talaga, guys, na magsuot kayo ng medyo pa-v-neck or pa-cup look or make your body look voluptuous. Promise, talagang mas bagay po sa ating mga bilugan itong medyo may pa-plunging neckline. Ayan, that's what I noticed kasi every time I buy clothes, parang feeling ko mas bagay sa akin yung medyo pa-v-neck or pa-Sabrina cut or pa-square cut, ganyan. Dapat medyo may nakikita dito sa harap natin. So, this one, guys, ito, knitted cotton din po ang fabric nito. And this is also garterized. So, it's very, very stretchable, very comfy. Plus, super nice nung tela niya, if you can see it closely. And this one is in the color, ayan, this one is in the color navy blue. So, it has black, rust, maroon, pink stars, pink floral, yellow moon, and white flower. Again, 5/5 sa akin itong blouse na ito, guys. So, I hope you can check it out. They have a website din, so I'll just put all the links in the description box down below para ma-check nyo, guys. Next, of course, is the shorts. Ayan. Suot ko na din yung isang shorts. Actually, I got 3 shorts from them, all in floral design. I have it in navy blue, in purple, and in green. Ayan, parang yellow-green. So, alam nyo ba, ang tela nito is challis. So, if you're familiar with challis, masarap po talaga siyang isuot kasi napakalambot po niya talaga, as in. Alam mo yun? Parang super lambot, super smooth. And then, ang maganda is talagang malaki po ito. Talagang magkakasya talaga for a plus size girl. And plus, it's garterized, guys. Garterized siya. Drawstring. So, this is what they call the plus size challis drawstring dolphin shorts. Ayan. So, sa mga plus size girl like me, talagang I recommend dolphin shorts. Kasi, pag dolphin shorts, medyo iba yung kanyang korte. Makikita nyo here sa picture. Nalalagay ko dito sa aking tabi. Iba po ang kanyang, shape. Hindi siya yung ordinary shorts na straight lang. So, sa kanya pa-curve. Tapos yung gilid niya, medyo mataas siya. This is super nice. Alam nyo ba, pwede nyo to gamitin as a loungewear, as a pantulog, or if you wanted to go to the palengke, pero gusto mo pa din na comfy ka, pwede mo to itap ng, ng t-shirt ka lang, tapos ito shorts, pwede pa rin to pang alis. This one is 3 for 500, guys. So, lumalabas na parang nasa 160 something lang siya isa. So, not bad, right? And of course, the last but definitely not the least, mga Mars and Loves, is their Swiss Dot Polka Maxi Dress. Ayan. So, here it is. Sinuot ko to nung birthday ko, guys. So, I'll just insert the picture here sa aking side. So, natatanggal to, guys. Depende. So, it's really good kasi it's adjustable. So, you can adjust it to whatever size you want. Ayan. So, talagang madali siyang i-adjust and isuot. Plus, from the name itself, Swiss Dot Polka Maxi. Kasi may mga dot-dot siya. Ayan, sa kanyang tela. So, ayan ang closer look, guys. This cost 680 pesos. So, it is in color rust. So, I know that they have other colors available na. I think they have navy blue available, and also it's available na in red. So, this one is very good. It's really a plus size friendly dress. Kasi aside from it being adjustable and stretchable, guys, sa waist, stretchable siya. Ayan, so it can really fit up to, ayan, yung bust niya, it can really fit up to 40 to 50 bust size. Tapos sa waistline niya, 38 to 48 inches. Ayan, so talagang big size po talaga ito, and mahaba siya. 51 centimeters po ang length. So, this is really nice. Ayan. So, talagang ito yung suot ko nung birthday ko. I just had my birthday 2 weeks ago. At ito po talaga yung suot ko kasi I really find it, you know, really cute. Ganda po talaga. Ayan. And of course, ang pinakamaganda dito, guys, because this dress has a pockets. Ayan. Hindi lang pocket. Pockets talaga, mga loves. Kasi dalawang pocket yan, guys. Ayan. Magkabilang side. So, it's really good. Talagang functional din yung dress. Hindi lang basta dress na mahirapan ka dahil hindi mo man lang mabulsa ang iyong cellphone. Ayan. So, here you go. You can actually, this is great for summer. Pwede din naman for bare months. Maglagay ka lang ng sweater, diba? Pwede din naman yon. And of course, it's fashionable yet affordable. Okay. So, what's my verdict on these dresses and these tops? Yes, I definitely recommend the shop, Plus Size Heaven. Marami pa silang actually dress and tops, no? That kindly check them out, guys. I'll put here their social media accounts and their Shopee page as well. Alam mo, marami na talaga silang follower kasi per ganda ng mga damit nila. Ayan, marami pa nga akong gusto dun. Baka mapa-check out na nga ako eh. Super bait pa ng owner. Kaya guys, check them out na. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today, and I hope na naman kayong nakuwang idea from me na kung saan kayo bibili ng inyong mga pang-fashion na clothes. Alam mo naman, I feel you, kapwa plus size girl lang, hirap talaga maghanap ng mga damit na babagay sa atin at syempre yung abot kaya ng ating mga budget. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa akin, Mars, naku Mars, loves, subscribe ka na sa aking channel and hit the notification bell para naman ikaw ay notified every time na I have a new video. So guys, this has been Maris, and I hope to see you again on